Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
Machinery that processes materials by grinding or crushing. Mill, milling machinery. A large sandwich made of a long crusty roll split lengthwise and filled with meats and cheese, and tomato and onion and lettuce and condiments. Different names are used in different sections of the United States. Bomber, Cuban sandwich, hero, hero sandwich, hoagie. Grinding tooth with a broad crown, located behind the premolars. Molar. A machine tool that polishes metal.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.